Hello everyone, my name is Mandea Michael and you're welcome to today's video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about 5 things you didn't know exist on your smartphone. So number 1 on our list is Google Lens. Did you know you could copy someone's contact on a flyer and just call the person right away instead of having to write the person's contact on a piece of paper or on a different phone to be able to dial the number and call? Yes, with Google Lens, you have this advantage of being able to copy someone's contact on a flyer to call. So let's say you are watching someone's status on WhatsApp and you happen to find a service or a business or a product that you seem to be interested. All you could do is just save the flyer or even screenshots. Once you save it or you screenshot, leave the platform, then you come to the home screen of your phone where you see this microphone and then this camera symbol. Tap on the camera option. Okay, once you tap on the camera option, you scroll to the recent picture you just downloaded or you just screenshot, which I have it here. Okay, so once you tap on it, you wait for a while and allow the app to do its own thing. Then you come and tap on the number you have on the flyer. Just tap on it. You realize that it has displayed the number on your phone. So all you need to do is click on call, or you copy the text and come and click on your dial pad, paste the number on it, and then you can place your call. Number 2 on our list is the Google Search microphone. This is a great feature for people who want to know what song is being played on radio or on TV. Most of the times you hear a song play and before you scroll or search your phone to find Sajam, then the song is finished playing. It leaves you wondering whose song was that. So with this Google Search microphone, all what you need to do is just tap on it and it will listen to the song that is being played around you. It's going to give you the title of the song and even the lyrics of the song and everything you need to know about the song. It's a great feature worth trying. Third on our list is WhatsApp voice note feature. This feature allows you to pause a voice note, put it down, go and come back, or put it down, attend to a thing or two, and come back and continue recording. And once you are done, you then send it to the person. Another feature the voice note has is you have the advantage to fast forward a particular voice note. So for instance, you are in a group chat where there's someone that's always sending long voice notes. You can fast forward the voice note by tapping on the figure with the X on it to speed up the voice note to the level or the speed in which you prefer. If you want it to go a little bit faster, you tap on it and then the speed increases. Fourth on our list is the WhatsApp reaction feature. This is a new feature that WhatsApp has introduced so that one can be able to react to messages or chats that is being sent by a friend. To activate this is to long press on a particular chat and then you have the thumbs up, the heart, the laughter, the wow, the sad, and then the high five reaction. You can just go by tapping on it and you can see it has been selected. If you make a mistake, you can long press on it and select the reaction you actually wanted to tap on. And finally, number 5 on our list is the ability to tell how many people have read your message in a group chat. Just type anything you want and then you send. Once you do that, long press on that particular chat, come to the top, okay, where you see these 3 dots on top, tap on it, and then you see info, tap on info. Then as you see read by, you'll be seeing the list of the people who have read the chat. We still have about 59 people remaining to read the chat, but it has been delivered to all these people in the group chat. Just that 2 people have come online and viewed the chat. Sometimes this particular feature can be really interesting. You know, you just send your message on a group chat and then you observe to see how many people have read the chat, and sometimes the rate at which the people read the chat, and as in when their names keeps dropping, it's just fun. Like for me, I see it to be so fun. So you can try this too and then see what you can make out of this. So we've come to the end of today's video. Subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so that anytime I post a video, you will be the first to be notified. Also, feel free to leave your comments as to which particular feature you discovered excites you the most. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.